Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, if you want these brand new emojis from iOS 18.4 right on your older devices running iOS 16, iOS 15 or any lower iOS version, this video is for you. The method shown in this video is completely free. Now let's complete the process on device. Your device must be jailbroken. As you can see, my device is already jailbroken with dopamine. You can use the parent jailbreak or any other jailbreak which is compatible with your device and your iOS version. First of all, open Celio, then head to sources. You will have to add some repos to make this work. To add them, you can simply hit this add button. Simply type them here and then hit add source. So the first one is the big boss repo, second one is the Charis repo, third is the allocate.space repo, we have the opa334's repo, and finally we have the Poom Smarts repo. Also, if you want these new emojis on iOS 10 or lower, you will also have to add apd.beginner.com repo. Once these all are added, simply hit search and search for EFM font setter. So we'll tap on it, hit on get and let all these packages in queue. Then hit search again, then search for Emoji Font. You will find this package right here. Simply tap on it, hit on get and you will see all these packages in queue. If allocate is not installed, it will automatically be installed along with the preference loader, or you can also install them manually. Now hit confirm and wait for the installations to complete. Alright, once these all are installed, simply respring. Now once you are back after a respring or a user space reboot, simply go in, then go to settings, scroll all the way down and you will find Emoji Font Manager right here. Now it will be on default, set it to Apple Color Emoji, then hit respring. Once you're back after the respring, you are good to go. Now let's open the Notes app and test it. I will go to emojis, then I will search. You see we have the new emojis like the splat, the tree, we have the fingerprint, the instrument, alright, beat, and of course we have the tired emoji. And we have the shawl emoji as well. As you can see, they are working and being displayed correctly. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.